Good morning everyone. My name is Malvi Yadav. I am a student of BCom second semester from Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Government Girls PG College. Today I am here to present on the topic medical examination and risk assessment in life insurance.
Okay, very good. Shall we start with it?
Firstly, I will talk about life insurance. Life insurance is all about protecting individuals and their families financially in case of unforeseen events. To determine coverage amount and premium, the insurance company need to ensure risks associated with insuring person. Medical examination and risk assessment. That's where medical examination risk assessment come into play. Secondly, I will talk about medical examination. Before issuing the policy, insurance often requires some medical checkups, which can include BP, blood sugar, or etc. And sometimes more other advanced tested depending on the applicant's age and coverage premium. The purpose is to identify any existing health conditions which can cause risks of death and which can cause serious illness. Thirdly, I will talk about risk assessment. After issuing the after medical examination, the insurers evaluate such various factors such as age, lifestyle, occupation, medical history, and family history of disease. This can help to classify them risk category of applicants' age. Higher risk applicants may goes to higher premium category, and lower risk category goes to lower rates standards. Importance of risk assessment and medical examination. The first importance is that policyholder gets adequate premium, and second, the insurance company can set a fair coverage amount. A third, it prevents insurance fraud, and can establish the financial stability of the company. At the last, in conclusion, medical examination and risk assessment plays crucial steps in life insurance. They protect both insured and insurer. Can ensuring a fair premium and coverage amount which are fair and based on actual risks. Thank you, sir.